In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicate rows in Google Sheets. This quick cleanup is perfect for contact lists, product catalogs, surveys, or any data set where the same row might have slipped in more than once. Start by opening your Google Sheets document and selecting the range of data you want to check. You can click and drag to highlight just the columns you care about, or select the whole table if you want a full sweep. If you're unsure, remember that the tool only checks the range you select, so it's worth highlighting exactly where duplicates might exist. You can even use the top left corner box to select the entire sheet if that's what you need. Next, go to the top toolbar and click the Data menu. Hover over Data Cleanup and then choose Remove Duplicates. This opens a simple pop-up window that controls how Google Sheets will find and remove repeated entries. In the pop-up, confirm the columns you want to check for duplicates. If you select multiple columns, Google Sheets will only consider rows duplicates if all the selected columns match exactly, which is great when you want to avoid removing rows that share a name but differ in other details. If you only care about duplicates in a single column, like email addresses, select just that column here. Now, look for the option labeled Data has Header Row. Turn this on if your selection includes a header at the top, like labels for name, email, or date. This tells Google Sheets not to treat that header as data. If your selection doesn't include headers, leave it unchecked. When everything looks right, click Remove Duplicates. Google Sheets will scan your selection, keep the first instance it finds, and delete any repeated rows after that. This action only affects the range you highlighted, so it won't touch other areas of your sheet. After the process completes, you'll see a summary message that tells you exactly what happened. For example, how many duplicate rows were removed and how many unique rows remain. Unique rows means the count of distinct entries left after duplicates were taken out. This summary is a good quick check to make sure the results match your expectations. And that's it. You opened your sheet, selected the range, used Data Cleanup to remove duplicates, confirmed your columns, set the header option correctly, ran the cleanup, and reviewed the summary. With these steps, you can keep your data tidy, consistent, and ready for analysis or sharing.